the construction squad. Wow, Car City sure looks dressed up for the holidays. Nice work on that snowman, babies. Hello, friends. Great idea. A giant Christmas tree would be lovely in the middle of town. What do you think, squad? All right, let's get to work. This is a great spot for a tree, guys. Edgar, can you dig our hole? Oh boy. Ooh. I bet Sam the snowplow can get rid of that ice. Sam, the construction squad needs you. Hi there, Sam. Thanks for coming so fast. Can you clear this ice out of the way? Great job. Thanks for your help, Sam. That's perfect, Edgar. Okay, so now we just need to place our tree in the hole. Thanks, Francis, but this isn't exactly a Christmas tree. Good idea, Edgar. This palm tree will look great at your house. Thanks, Ethan. Charlie, can you set the tree in the hole? Then Edgar can fill up the hole with dirt. Yeah, just like that. Great teamwork. It already looks beautiful. Now let's add the lights. Hi there, Chuck. Thanks so much. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Looks like Chuck will need to untangle you a bit, Edgar. Let's try that again, okay? There you go. It's really coming together now. I think it needs one more thing. Wow, babies. These will look beautiful on the tree. Okay, squad. It's time to trim the tree. Amazing, baby Francis. I think it's about time to turn on the lights. Everyone, gather round. Hi, everyone. What do you think of this Christmas tree the construction squad built for Car City? Should we light it? All right. Edgar, would you do the honors? Oh, no. Look out. It's going to fall. Oh, thank goodness. Way to go, you guys. Wow, that's amazing. Well done, squad. This is one beautiful Christmas tree. Mission accomplished, squad. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too, friends. See you next time. Happy Halloween. Looks like you're hard at work as always. Boom! Hi there, squad. The babies are looking for a fun Halloween treat. Do you have any ideas? Awesome! A spooky roller coaster. That's perfect, Ethan. Let's get to the work site, guys. Wow! It looks like this is going to be a big job, squad. Let's get to work. Step 1. Set up the foundation poles and attach the track. Step 2. Line up the wagons on the track. Step 3. Attach the walls and ceiling. First, we need to get these poles put up. They'll support the entire ride. That's it. Great teamwork, you guys. Now we'll attach the track to the poles. Edgar, don't forget the screws. We'll need those to keep everything together. Nice work, guys. Make sure those screws are tight. It's really taking shape now. Okay, the next step is placing the wagons on the track. Charlie, just lift those onto the track one after the other. Make sure the wagons are properly settled. Now we just need to attach the walls and the ceiling. Careful lowering the ceiling on, guys. Make sure to screw them in so they stay put. Ooh, this turned out great. It's going to be a lot of spooky fun. The babies are going to have an awesome Halloween. Hi, babies. Are you ready to go for a ride through a haunted house? How about you, Francis? You want to take the last wagon? Enjoy the ride. Look out for the bats. Wow, that ghost sure looks real. We're glad you had so much fun, babies. Happy Halloween. Oh, Francis, you know it's all pretend, right? Mission accomplished, squad. You can do great things when you work as a team. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time. Hey there, babies. Hi, squad. Oh, boy. What happened to you? Ah, playing in the mud again. Well, we'll have to figure out some way to clean you up. Great idea, Charlie. The squad could build a car wash to get the baby cars clean. What do you think, babies? And look, this is a good location for a car wash. Time to work, squad. Okay, here's what we need to do to complete our mission. Step 1, lay down the track. Step 2, set up the walls for each section, rinsing, washing, and drying. Step 3, place the ceiling sections with the wash mechanisms over each section. All right, guys, let's get this track laid down first. Gather up the elements. That's it. Don't forget, the babies need ramps to get on the tracks. Great teamwork, squad. Okay, now we'll need to set up the walls. Those square panels should be what we need. Grab the blue ones first. Okay, next put up the pink walls. Now it's time for the orange section. We're almost done. Now we just need to add the ceiling panels. Let's start with the sprinkler section. Set it on top of the wall panels. That looks great. Now let's add the scrub brush section. That's it. And now the blower section to dry them off. Well done, squad. You've worked as a team and now the car wash is ready. Why don't you give it a try, babies? Look at you. You're so shiny. Now Try to stay clean, babies. Look out, Edgar. There's a mud puddle. Oh, dear. You're right, baby Francis. Maybe Edgar should take a bath, too. It might have been dirty work, but you did a great job today, squad. You can do anything when you work as a team. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.
Troy the train.
It's a great day for a ride, isn't it, Troy? Oh dear, Troy. The road is too dangerous for cars to drive on. It looks like Steve and Billy can't finish the road because they're out of cement. Can either of you make more cement? You're right, Troy. We need to head to Car City and get a vehicle that can help. Don't worry, Billy and Steve. We'll be back soon. Okay, Troy. Let's go build a new friend who can make cement. Look at these containers, Troy. They hold the pieces to build a new vehicle. Which vehicle can make cement? A race car? A tow truck? A cement mixer? Good idea. A cement mixer is perfect. It's on its way now, Troy. Let's get back to the road and fill in those cracks. All right, Troy, let's put it all together. We need to unload the pieces first. Wow, it's nearly done now. Hello, concrete mixer. We're happy to meet you. What's your name? Christopher? Welcome to Car City, Christopher. Troy, Christopher uses his mixer to make cement. Christopher, we need your help. We're out of cement, and we need more to complete a road. Can you make us more cement? All right, Christopher. Can you work with Steve and Billy to finish the road? Wow, that's amazing. Now Steve just needs to smooth out the concrete.
Well done, everyone. The road looks great. Thanks for your help, Christopher. We'll see you soon. Bye, friends. See you next time.
Troy the train.
Hello, Troy. It's a lovely day to visit the village, isn't it? What's this doing here?
Oh, Edgar said this sand was supposed to be dropped off at the construction site. We need a vehicle able to carry a lot of earth and sand anywhere. How can we get it there? You're right, Troy. We need to head to Car City and get a new vehicle to help.
Great. We're ready to pick up our new friend.
Look at these boxes, Troy. Each one contains a different vehicle. Which one will be able to carry all the sand? Are you sure a garbage truck can carry the sand Edgar needs to the right place, Troy? No, you're right. Let's try another container.
Oh, you think the dump truck can do it? Let's take him back to the station and find out. Look out, Troy. Here it comes. Okay, let's do it.
Edgar! Hey, Edgar! Look who's coming for help!
Let's unload the pieces first. Did we forget something, Troy? Of course. He needs his bed. Wow, he's nearly done now. Hello, dump truck. We're happy to meet you. What's your name? Ethan? Welcome to Car City, Ethan.
Troy, Edgar, Ethan's job is to carry heavy things in his bed.
Ethan, we have an important job for you. There's a lot of sand in the village that needs to go to a construction site.
Edgar, if you shovel this sand onto his bed, he'll take it to the construction site. Great job, Ethan and Edgar.
All right, well done. Troy is right. It's time to get all this sand to the construction site, Ethan. Let's go. That's the spot. Dump the sand in and fill the hole.
Thanks a lot, Ethan. That was amazing. Bye, Ethan. See you next time. Bye, friends. See you next time. Tom the tow truck. Hi, Christopher. How are you doing? I see that your mixing drum is rotating. Does that mean that you're mixing the concrete? There! I can see the concrete coming out of the discharge chute. This concrete will be used to construct the buildings. You've stopped working. Is it break time already? No? Oh, what happened then? Are you having trouble starting your mixing drum? And you need to finish the work today? Uh-oh. Don't be upset, Christopher. It's all right. I will call Tom to help you. Wait here. Hey, Tom. Feeding the pigeons, eh? Aren't you ticklish? Tom, sorry to bother you in the middle of pigeon feeding, but we need you at the construction site right away. Christopher, the concrete mixer truck, is in trouble. Would you please help? Thanks, Tom. Thanks, birdies. So, let's hurry, Tom. We have no time to waste. On your right, Tom. Great. Straight ahead, Tom. This road will take you to the construction site. Tom, can you spot Christopher? Not here. There he is. Come on, Tom, let's go to Christopher. Hey, Christopher, Tom is here. He will fix you up in no time. Let's take you to the garage, Christopher. Are we ready, Tom? Come on, Tom. Yeah, you can do it. The garage is not that far. Come on, Tom. Hey, I have an idea. Christopher, why don't you rev up your engines? It will make it easier for Tom to take you to the garage. Perfect. And there, we have reached the garage. Christopher, Tom will take a look at you now. Let's find a new mixing drum for you. Perfect. Let's replace the old drum. There we are. That looks great. Let's find out if it works great, too. Why don't you give it a try, Christopher? Great work, Tom. Is anything wrong, Christopher? Oh, Tom, it looks like the drum is working fine, but the discharge chute isn't. Oh, all right. So you think it is blocked? Yeah, let's change it. Well, time to replace the old discharge chute. That's perfect, Tom. You know what to do now, Christopher, don't you? So let's get started. Is anything wrong, Christopher? Oh, there is a hole in the water tank. It needs to be fixed. So how do we go about it, Tom? What's that? A heat gun? Good idea, Tom. Do you need anything else? So, what do we have here? Ah, I can find something we can use to patch up the drum. Cool. I like that mask on you, Tom. You should wear it more often. So, we have melted the sides of the hole so that the material can stick to it. And now, the heat from the heat gun will melt the material and fix the hole. Kudos to you, Tom. Great work. Well, everything's working normally, so I guess we're done here. Time to get to work, Christopher. Bye. See you later, Tom. Bye.